you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I've got a $25 grocery haul for you. I'm going to show you what I got, and I'm going to show you what it will make for me throughout the month. Okay? Let's go. Got this one from the left to the right, and it may not seem like a lot, but yes, it is a lot. All right. I'm going to start with the tortillas because guess what? I'm doing Mexican night. I'm also doing Mexican rice tonight for you guys. I'm going to be doing some tacos. So I've got some tortillas. We got flour, because that's the ones I like. I got 2 packs of those. Not only can these do tacos, but these can do enchiladas. These can do burritos, little ones. Or a plethora of things I might want to do. Mexican pizza. 2 bags of cheese, 8 ounces. They're on sale for 2 for $4. So that wasn't bad. Then I've got some pineapple pop, which I could use for a drink. I could use this for smoothies. I can also use it for, what do they call that with the ice cream and the pop mixed together? A float. Yes. Then, of course, back here I got some sweet and sour sauce. That's going to be for my Asian night. Then I got 2 bunches of cilantro, which I can use to flavor my tacos, my salsa, my guacamole, my soups, a ton of things. Also, I could put some tortillas in some tortilla soup. Then I've got some sour cream. I can use this to make not only the, topping for my tacos, but I could use this to make salad dressings, to make dips, go on soups, a whole lot of good stuff. Then I got 3 cans of refried beans, authentic style. Those are the best, okay? La preferida? Oh yeah, those are the best. Now, not only can this be a side dish of refried beans, I can show you how to make my bean dip. It's low fat, it helps you lose weight, and it's filling. And guess what? It's low sodium. Last but not least, I got a bag of onions. Now, come on. You could do everything with onions. Soups, salads, tacos, sandwiches, grilled onions for Polish sausages, burgers. You can even bake an onion in the oven, wrapped in tinfoil with some butter and seasoning. The best you've ever had. I'm going to show you how to do that too. Now, do you see all the dishes I can get from this? And for just $25. And what I don't have, I'll supplement with the food pantry. So as you see, I'm going to make some really cool dishes with this stuff. And it's going to last me a while. Because the cilantro I can chop up and freeze and then just put in a soup, a stew, anything I choose, okay? So that $25 is going to go a lot farther than you think. You just have to be smart about the things you get. Get something that you can make several things out of. You see what I'm saying? Now, I'm going to make my Mexican rice tonight because you guys have requested and you've been so patient waiting for it. So that's going to be the next video. I'm going to have it up as soon as possible. Okay? I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. I want you to write to me. Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef @gmail.com. Okay? All right. Don't be afraid to go to the food pantry. It helps. Trust me. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got?